Are you looking for a venue that brings people together meaningfully? Santiago Project by Aluminak offers more than just a space. It's a sanctuary where every gathering is infused with purpose, connection, and the natural beauty of Ilocos Sur. Whether you're organizing a team building retreat, a family celebration, or a small gathering, this place is crafted to foster and enhance connections. Immersed in art and nature, your event will evoke a sense of authenticity, grounding, and lasting memories. The property is a holistic eco-art commune. It serves as a small community platform that offers artistic, sustainable, and holistic wellness experiences, fostering productive and creative entrepreneurial activities. This community-oriented platform aims to inspire transformation, focusing on personal healing and the generation of ideas and productivity. The Santiago Project not only exemplifies the newest developments in hospitality that are focused on sustainability, experiences, and well-being. Through its basis under Aluminak's 4 interconnected pillars, the project mediates between rural communities and multinational cohorts and integrates the local economy and culture into its operations. Community culture and art, emotional, professional, social, intellectual, and spiritual well-being. Entrepreneurship, artisanal, circular, remote-based, and agricultural environment, sustainability, and conservation. It raises awareness of the urgent necessity to reconnect with oneself and cultivate experiences through interpersonal relationships and spirituality. The transformative aspect will uphold initiatives aimed at honoring and understanding the local anthropological culture during the healing process on a journey toward creation and prosperity. Its guiding principle focuses on transformative experiences that liberate the mind and awaken the spirit. At Santiago Project by Aluminak, every corner is designed to inspire, connect, and rejuvenate, surrounded by the beauty of nature and infused with creativity. These facilities and spaces are thoughtfully curated to cater to your needs, whether you're here to work, relax, celebrate, or create. If you like this video, please subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.